Yo fans, here we are, Saturday night cruise up around the corner from my house. Decided to drop by and see what they got, and I just had to cover this GTO because of the level that it's been done. It grabbed my attention right away because it just has a good look. The paint is prepared beautifully, and it's a really good color. It's like a dark green, almost like a blue green. It's really an interesting color. Look at the seats, console. Wow, somebody has really done a very nice level of restoration on this. Even has the hood mounted tach. Everything is just so. I love cars like this, man. They're just a pleasure to look at. Well, GTOs are a pleasure to look at because they're one of the best and first muscle cars. But then when a restoration is executed like it has been on this car, they're fun to look at, man. It's just beautiful. And that body styling is killer. You know, see how the roof buttresses in the back come down? A lot like a Charger in a way. You know, very similar. Very beautiful. Good design cue. See what we got going on underneath here. Yeah, it looks very tidy, very nice, very well done. Yes, really nice. I was hoping the hood would be open so we could take a look at it, but oh well. Yeah, very, very, very well done car. Is that your car? Oh, nice, man. That's the one I gravitated right to this. How long have you had this?
This is my first car. I bought it from the second owner.
No shit, really? That's your
1977.
And you bought that from? Oh, nice.
Yep.
Good deal, man.
Had it ever since.
Yeah.
Sat in a barn for 35 years.
Cool.
My buddy's barn, and then 5 years ago we took the body off of it.
Okay.
Just redid the whole thing.
I can tell. You know,
A lot of time.
When you look at the interior and everything that's been addressed and how finely done the car is, good job, man. Really nice. And I can see why you did it because of how long you've owned it. So,
Yep.
yeah.
Second owner.
Absolutely. Yep. A two-owner car, and look at the level of work that they've done on that, folks. Just beautiful. Really, really nice car. And having a 4-speed sure works. All right. Well, congratulations, man. Beautiful car. All right. This is Gauze Garage coming to you from South Venice, Florida. Thank you very much.
Thank you.